Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand the most important ArgoCD terminology that every DevOps engineer should know. So if you are learning GitOps, these concepts will help you understand how the ArgoCD manages the application inside the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so let us start with the basic concept used in the Argo CD. So here, the application, which is a group of Kubernetes resources. So basically in Argo CD, the application represents, the application represents the group of resources, which is, the Kubernetes resources called like the deployments and service, config map, secrets. Okay, these are the Kubernetes resources that made up the application to deploy in the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and the application source type. So here it defines how the Kubernetes configuration files are generated. So we are using this deployment, service, config map, secret, manifest, right? So these are generated using the tools called helm and customize. Helm and so using these tools, the resources are generated, meaning these manifest. And next is the project. So project is a logical grouping of applications which is used by multiple teams. For example, same cluster can be shared by different teams and they can use a different project name to deploy their individual applications in the same cluster. So for example, if there is a team project 1 and they can deploy their app, and at the same time there is a project 2 and they can also deploy a different app. So like that, in the same Kubernetes cluster, multiple project can deploy their individual applications. Okay, and next is the target state. So target state is the desired state in Git, and so these are the configurations stored in the Git. For example, the deployment.yaml, service.yaml, and config map.yaml. So these are the resources stored in the Git called the target state. And live state, this is the actual state in the cluster. So the live state represents the actual resources running in the cluster. For example, the running pods and services, config map. So these are the resources running in the live state. Okay. And next is sync status, whether the live state matches the target state. So here Argo CD constantly compare the target state. So here the Argo CD. So this is the pull mechanism, and there will be a GitOps operator running inside the Kubernetes cluster, and this will be constantly checking with the target state, which is the Git, the single source of truth. And here, if there are any changes, then it will pull the changes from the target state to the live state. So here it will check whether the cluster is matched with the target state. That means that will be synced. In case if the cluster configuration is not, you know, sync with the target state, then it will be out of sync. So basically, sync means the cluster matches the configuration with the Git. So out of sync means it is not sync with the Git, meaning the cluster configuration is different from Git. Okay, so in the sync operation, Kubernetes cluster, it matches the configuration stored in the Git, and during the sync process, ArgoCD will create a new resource, or it can update existing resource, or it can also delete the resources. So whatever changes is available in the target state, which is in the Git, that will be applied to the live state in the Kubernetes cluster. And in the health, it indicates whether the application is healthy or not. So there are some common health status, like whether it is healthy or the application is degraded or it is progressing. So if all the pods are in a healthy state, then it will be the cluster state will be healthy, and if there are any pods having any issues, then it will be in a degraded state, and if anything is not properly synced, then it will be in the progressing state. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.